Good morning. I am Dr. Abhishek Nandi, pediatric orthopedics and bone tumor surgery surgeon in Bhagirathi Neotia, Newtown. Today we are going to discuss about cerebral palsy. Now, cerebral palsy is now the most common neuromuscular disorder in children. The advancement in mother and child care in India, there is increase in survival of preterm babies. And with the increased survival in preterm baby, rises the frequency of cerebral palsy. The cause of cerebral palsy is an insult to the infant brain during the peripartum period. So there is decreased oxygenation in the brain which causes a cerebral palsy. Now the lesion in the brain in cerebral palsy is a heterogeneous lesion and which is non-progressive. But the musculoskeletal complications which arises out of cerebral palsy is progressive. So the diagnosis is mainly a MRI, which is the investigation of choice, and we generally see a periventricular leukomalacia in the MRI. But the musculoskeletal lesions, the musculoskeletal complications which are arising requires a thorough clinical evaluation, X-rays and 3D gait analysis. The treatment for cerebral palsy is generally physiotherapy. And the goal of all the treating physician is great improvement. We can use antispasmodic medications like baclofen and benzodiazepines. We also use Botox injection for local spasmodic release. There is also surgery which are involved like single event multi-level surgeries which are primarily focused on gait improvement. So in single event multi-level surgery, we generally do multi-level surgeries in a single sitting. Usually it is somewhere around 5 to 11. So this is a 11-year-old boy who is diagnosed with cerebral palsy and he is walking with severe deformity in the knee, in the foot, bilateral upper limb. And this gait classically we describe as crouch gait, which is the most common gait abnormality seen in cerebral palsy patients. So as discussed above, we went ahead with physiotherapy and we have done SEMELS, that is single event multi-level surgery, and total 11 surgeries were done in one sitting. And this is how he was after a period of 1 year follow-up. So you can see that deformity in the knee and in the foot has decreased and also the gait has improved. We in Bhagirathi Neotia Women and Child Care Center, Newtown, run a neuromuscular clinic comprising of pediatric orthopedics, pediatric neuro, pediatric physiotherapist, pediatric gastro, pediatric nephro, pediatric surgery, pediatric intensivist, pediatric dental, pediatric psychiatrist, and pediatric ophthalmologist, where we examine and treat your child from all dimensions. Don't delay and enroll your child to our clinic at the earliest. By far the most important commodities of cerebral palsy patient is time. Help us to help your child better.